So here's part 2 of my metal bumper build. This is where I have the bumper, the stock one, all taken off. Got the metal piece on there, got it all tack welded on there. I had to use straps to hold it in place. Even with the second pair of hands, it was kind of hard to get it all lined up, so putting those straps on there really helped hold it in place. So next it's time to start welding it up. Since I didn't have the proper welding clothing, I had to use a cardboard box to keep myself from getting burned from all the welding splattering. So yeah, that's why I'm holding that piece of cardboard. And here it is, I got it all done, put back on the truck. Now it's time to get it all painted. So here it is, the finished product. Finally got it all done, put back together. After working on it for a couple days under that hot sun, it wasn't easy. It's not easy trying to do it yourself, trying to hold it in place and tack weld it, then do the next piece. But yeah, I'm gonna be touching up that Chevy emblem. I think I'm gonna paint it white. But I just sprayed it with some cheap bed liner spray. I'm gonna be actually using the real stuff later. I want like a thick stuff on there. But for now, just so it's not sitting bare metal. Still gotta fix this right here. Took it out on the highway yesterday and they were like flapping, so I have to cut it so the wind's not catching it. I got that light bar out there. I just put it there for now. I think later I'm gonna have a winch back there behind the bumper, and then I'm gonna have the winch cable coming out through right here. So that's just like a temporary light. I'm still working on my fog lights. Still gotta get that done. But for now, I'm glad I got it all done. I got more projects coming up, that'll be later down the road. Tackle one at a time.